What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your RWM61U wireless UHF guitar and headset microphone system. As you can see, it comes with a 1-channel receiver, a body pack for your microphone or guitar with some batteries, a 1/4-inch cable, a headset microphone, a 1/4-inch cable for your guitar, an antenna for your receiver, and a power supply. So one of the first things we can do is connect the antenna to the receiver so that the signal from the wireless mic pack gets picked up by the receiver. So you're just gonna line up the end of the antenna to the antenna input on the back of the receiver. Then you're gonna twist it on to lock it in place and raise it so that the signal gets picked up. Next, we can set up our wireless mic pack. First, we'll want to pinch at the sides on the front to reveal the battery compartment. Next, we'll plug in the included batteries into the battery compartment and then just close up the front. Now to turn it on, you just have to press the button on top, and you'll know it's on when you see the LCD lights here. Another thing you'll notice on the screen is how much battery life your microphone pack has and what frequency it's set to. Now you don't have to worry about changing the frequency channel the mic pack is set to because it's preset to the receiver for the clearest sound possible. So now if you're planning to use the headset with the body pack, you'll just take the end of the headset and plug it into the top of the body pack. So one of the ways we can set up our receiver is to a powered speaker like our Titan 12. To do that, I'm gonna grab the included 1/4-inch cable. I'm gonna take one end and plug it into the 1/4-inch unbalanced output on the back of the receiver. Then I'm gonna take the other end and plug it into the 1/4-inch input on an available channel on my speaker. Today I'll use channel 1. You can also use the XLR output on the back of the receiver to connect to your speaker if it has an XLR input. So now I'll go ahead and turn on my receiver. Then I can turn on the powered speaker. Then I'll grab my headset and my body pack. Place the body pack on my belt here. Then I can go ahead and put on my headset. So now I can go ahead and raise the volume on my receiver and then raise the volume on the channel on my speaker. And now you guys should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speaker. Now the cool thing about having a wireless headset like this is that I can talk or sing into the microphone without having to hold any microphone or worry about any cables whatsoever. We can also go as far as 300 to 400 feet indoors and 250 to 350 feet outdoors away from the receiver and still be able to hear our voice through the speaker. And if there's ever a moment we don't want our voice coming through the speaker, we can press the power button just once to put the mic on standby mode. Another setup we can use the mic system with is with a guitar and a guitar amp. For this setup, you want to use the 1/4-inch cable that's meant for your guitar to plug into the mic pack. You would plug it in the same way you would with the headset by taking the female end and plugging it into the mic pack. Then you can take the other end and plug it into your guitar. So again, to connect the receiver into the guitar amp, you'll want to use the included 1/4-inch cable. Take one end and plug it into the 1/4-inch output on the back of the receiver. Then take the other end and plug it into the 1/4-inch input on your guitar amp. So now I can turn on my body pack and strap it onto my side. So now I can go ahead and turn on the receiver, then raise the volume knob. Next I can turn on my guitar amp and raise the volume and master volume knobs on the amp. And lastly, I'll turn up the volume on the guitar itself. So now if I go ahead and play, you should be able to hear the guitar coming out of the amp. Like with the wireless headset, this is great for musicians who want to roam around the stage while they're playing their instrument. So now one more setup I want to show you guys is how we connect the receiver to a channel on our mixer. Just like with the other setups, we can use the included 1/4-inch cable to connect to the channel, but we can also use an XLR cable with the XLR output on the back of the receiver. To do that, I'll take the female end of the XLR cable and plug it into the back of the receiver. Then you'll take the other end and plug it into a channel on your mixer. Today we'll use channel 1. So now we can go ahead and turn on the mixer. Then we'll turn on the receiver. Now we can put on the mic pack and the headset. Then we can go ahead and turn the mic pack on. Next we'll raise the volume and the gain knob on our channel. Now to hear our voice coming out of the speakers, we'll raise the main left and right faders on our mixer. Finally, we can raise the volume on our receiver. And now you should be able to hear my voice coming out of both speakers. So now the great thing about this setup is that we can use the built-in EQs and effects on our mixer to manipulate the sound of our microphone. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RWM61U wireless UHF guitar and headset microphone system. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.